Now, most vegan food, yeah. It's not a tumor. Put the cookie down. Let it go. There's a lot of oil in this. Smush, smush, smush. Ow! So,
your stomach.
you could probably really hear that, couldn't you? Now we're going to press it down. That's flat, like my chest. Shake. Drinky poos.
Roll in.
Happy New Year.
Happy what?
Happy what?
Hey, I'm Candace the Edgy Veg. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I make new videos every Monday.
No! So just put it in the oven. There's a sweet potato in there.
Yeah, we're good.
First, surprise!